All right, I'd like to give you guys a little help with helping the students with their math homework. And just a precursor is that we have 2 days that are calculator days and 2 days that are not calculator days. So Mondays and Wednesdays, there are no calculators allowed in tutoring to help the students learn how to do work in their head or on paper. And then Tuesdays and Thursdays, they can use calculators. So that gives them a good mix of reality. Sometimes you don't have a calculator, sometimes you do. And one important thing to emphasize when you are doing math homework with the students is that they need to show their work. I've really noticed how they just try and do stuff in their head or skip steps. So really emphasize them showing their work. And you can do that practically by asking questions. You know, what's the next step? Okay, please show that to me. Okay, what's the next step? So here's an example. And it is 3/5 divided by 1/2. And so you could say, how do you set that up to solve it? And then you could show a big division problem with 3/5 over 1/2. And then you could ask, well, how do you solve that? And the answer is by multiplying the fractions by the inverse. And so you leave one the same and you invert the other, which is 3/5 times 2 over 1. And then you could ask, how do you multiply fractions? And the answer is you multiply the numerators and denominators. And then make sure that they show that work like I've showed here, right there. And then once it's 6/5, then you can say, and what's the final answer need to look like in a mixed number format? And it's 1 and 1/5. Anyway, just wanted to give you guys that tidbit. Really emphasize them showing their work, and I think they'll really grow. So thanks.